Today, I'm in Lee Lake.
What's this?
I just cleaned this up twice last year. I can't believe it's so dirty already.
There's a lot of junk down there.
Oh yeah, there's that. Plus all this. Good luck fishing. I didn't know you were under there. Yeah, that's alright. I'm way over here. No, you're good. Got a lot of garbage. Now I gotta haul all this stuff up the hill. I'm starting to see beer cans all over. Down here too, I'll have to come back with an empty bag and pick up some more trash. Lots more trash. Gonna wait around here. Glass. Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. So we got this trail coming down to the water right here. I actually took down the way down here and I just looked in the water right here. Broken glass right here. Imagine stepping down off here into the water, stepping right on that. That's why I come clean this stuff up so people don't cut their feet up. Kind of dangerous. Well, got my load of trash. Second load coming up here. First load is already up. Clean up the water. Let's see what we got here. Got a lot of aluminum cans here. Got a bunch of glass bottles, about 10, 12 of them. A bunch of plastic out here. Part of a horn. Some of this little goggles. Plastic. Someone's underwear. A couple socks. Got an anchor over here. Fishing hook and line. Got that out of the water. Someone's vape. Yeah, bottle cap, golf ball, and the gem of this find today is this this watch right here. It says Polar Unite on it. Please stop littering in your local waters. If you're gonna go swimming, enjoy the water. Don't litter. That's pretty trashy.